Hello, good day everybody. Welcome back to my daily tutorials. What I have today is a forces arrangement. This is a rope, a body W is hanged on the rope, and the ropes, make an angle 60 degree and 30 degree with the vertical line after hanging. So the tension around this rope is 15 Newton and the tension around this rope is 8 Newton. There must be a weight here. So that weight is to be calculated. How do we do that? We have to make a sketch using triangular method of finding, let me say a force or a vector or a tension. So we are to transform this into a triangle. But let's see how it's going to be. So what you should do firstly is to write this, to draw lines that will represent these tensions and this weight in magnitude and direction based on their directions. So what you should do first of all, you just write solution. After writing solution, then you are to sketch it, starting with the vertical line, that is the W. This is W, and the W is unknown. That is the width, we are to find it. Now this vector, or let me say this force 8 Newton make 30 degree angle with the vertical, so we are to draw it this way, like you are to make it this way. We assume this is the 8 Newton. So this is our 8 Newton tension, and this angle is now 30 degree because it makes an angle of 30 degree with the vertical line. This is the vertical line and this is the angle 30 degree. The other one is coming, the direction is good this way and this one going to that way. So we have it as this, we draw it like this. Now this is the other tension, and the tension force is 15 Newton and the angle made with the vertical line is 60 degrees. So we have 60 degree here. Now we can reduce this line and we can reduce this line. Now what we should do is to firstly find what is here so that it will help us to use sine rule to calculate the W. So what we need to have is we should just see this 60 degree plus 30 degree plus, we can make this to be x, so plus x equals to 180 degrees. The rule is sum of angles in a triangle. So that's what we have as the rule. So we have 60 plus 30 is 90. So we have 90 plus x equals to 180. Automatically my x is 180 minus 90, and this is 90 degrees also. So that means here will be 90 degree. Now since it is 90 degree, what we need to do next is to use sine rule. And the sine rule said W over sine 90, W all over sine 90 equals to, let's use any of this. We use any of this. Or if we cannot use this, then we use cosine rule to find the value of the W. So if we are to use any of this, then 15 over sine 30, that is 15 all over sine 30. Now we can evaluate this. Sine 90 is 1, so we have W all over 1 equals to 15 over 0.5. And we cross multiply. W times 0.5 is 0.5 W equals to 1 times 15 is 15. So from there then we divide both sides by 0.5. 0.5 cancels 0.5, then my weight W equals to 15 divided by 0.5 means 1 over 2, and this is 15 times 2 over 1, and this is equals to 30. Therefore W equals to 30 Newton. This is all we have as the value of our weight. So thank you. If you enjoy watching this video, please consider it, like, share and comment with your observation, and always follow my page to get a daily update on my tutorials. Thank you and have a nice day.